Welcome to Eagle Complete course. After we have known about the Fusion 360, now we're going to learn how to link the Fusion 360 to the Autodesk Eagle to make our 3D design. So, the first step we're going to do is open the board layout editor in Autodesk Eagle. Now, in the right side of the canvas, you will see the Fusion 360 option here. After you click it, the Sync to Fusion 360 window will pop up. You have to choose whether you want to link to the existing Fusion 360 design or you want to create new Fusion 360 design. I will select the second one to create a new design. Then click Next. Choose any folder to save your file. I will save it on the new project. Then click OK. Now you will see this table. This table contains the component's name, footprint, and the status for 3D package availability. The green tick will appear in the 3D package column if the component already has the 3D package. And a yellow warning sign will appear if the component doesn't have the 3D package yet. Like you can see here, some of my components have the 3D package and some of it doesn't. We will see what will happen if we push this condition to Fusion 360 now. Click the Push button here. If the process is done, we will receive a message like this. Click OK. Now, we will open the Fusion 360 software. Then open the location where you push your Eagle design. So, this is the 3D design we built from our board layout design. As you can see here, some components do not have their 3D form. These are the parts that has a warning sign on the 3D package on the previous table we seen. Now, we will also learn how to make all of the components have their own 3D package to make our 3D design better. So, we're going back to the layout editor. We will start with the LED here. Click right on your mouse and select Add 3D Custom Package. The package editor window will appear, and it will show you this interface. In the left corner here, there is a Place on Board icon, Place on Center icon, the redo and undo command, and camera view command. In the right corner, here are some options you can choose to modify the 3D package. The upload command is used for you to upload your own 3D file from your computer. With this command, you should have the step file or F3D file you downloaded from any web page or designed by yourself. The generate command is used to generate a 3D package from the existing model Eagle provides. Here you can see some standard packages. The add command here is used to add existing design you uploaded before to Eagle library, or you can also use someone else's library in the public models here. Then, the options command here is used to show some options related to your 3D design. Now for the LED, I'm going to use the generate command and choose the radial LED. Then for the parameters value, you can find it on the datasheet or you can follow the value I filled here. To see what your design looks like, click Update Preview and wait for a second. Here is the final look for our LED design. You can make any improvement on your own design. After we're finished, click OK. Then select OK again here. It will take some time to manage the 3D model. After it's done, we can click OK. Now, this component already have the 3D package. We will also give the other components their 3D package. To create the 3D package for the same type of component, we can easily click the Add command and choose the last package we made. Then click OK. Another component that doesn't have the 3D package is the resistors, the pin header, the NE555 and the potentiometer. The process is still the same actually, but you can see how I add the 3D package to all of them. Now we're going to start to change the 3D package for the LED. Here I also using the add option and choose the existing 3D package for the LED. Repeat this step until all of your LEDs has the 3D package. Now we're going to add the 3D package for the NE555 IC. Now select the Generate option, then choose the Deep Model. Here I'm going to preview the default parameters value. As we can see here, the default value is not suitable with our PCB design. So we're going to adjust a little bit to the parameters value. If the position of the 3D package doesn't match with the footprint, you can change the rotation of the 3D package. Here I changed the parameters value based on the NE555 datasheet. After we're done, we can click OK like we done before in the previous component. The next component is the resistor. I will use the generate options, then choose the axial model. Here I will see the default preview of this model. And it turns out the model is longer than the footprint. So here we're going to adjust the dimension to shorten it up. Then, after you're sure with your 3D design, we can click OK. Now we're going to apply the same 3D package to the other resistor. Since we make a design before, here we're going to use the Add option and choose the resistor design we made before. After that, we're moving on to the potentiometer. For the potentiometer, I'm going to use the upload options. Here, I'm going to upload the step file I downloaded before. You can get your 3D design file or step file in the GrabCAD or any other platform. Or you can also make it by yourself using CAD software. So here is the 3D file I get from the GrabCAD. Now adjust the rotation and the position so it will match with the footprint. After it looks perfect, we're going to click OK. The next one, I'm going to change the 3D design for the pin header. Since I already have some designs here, I'm going to use it. The last component we want to add the 3D design is the switch. Here I don't have any 3D design for the rocker switch. So I'm going to find it on the GrabCAD and upload it. To get a 3D design from GrabCAD, you can choose the design you want. Then you can click the download file and it will automatically download the file you needed. Here I downloaded the step file since we need the step file. Then you can click the upload option and choose the downloaded file. After all of the components have the 3D package, we will push the board design again to the Fusion 360. We will click the Fusion 360 menu again here. Then select Push the Fusion. Make sure all your components have the green tick on the 3D package column. After you're done, here is the final 3D design for our PCB.